my dogs with a kill boy. Drum on the kid, yeah, big toys. We the go sick, pop, pill boy. Bodies on chips, boy. Ain't telling them to that's a flip, boy.
See them say start and go straight to the bumbo class song for that. Hold on, run it.
Reaction.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Pndrn Vlogs aka The Reaction. Blasted back in with another video for you guys. US Virgin Islands, what's up? Your boy's back representing for y'all, you feel me? Yeah. We have a song from Pndrn, the real song called Kill Boy, official music video now. What the fuck? Damn. Like every time I read that like a Pndrn the real title, I have to think about it before me do the reaction. Kill Boy. Let's go straight to it. You feel me? Leave a like on this video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. We're posting every single day, numerous times for that day. Def, warning, any props used in this video, they are not real people. The guns, they're all toys, they're fake. Let's get straight to the video. Run tune.
Real my dogs with a kill boy. Drum on the kid, yeah, big toys. We the go sick, pop, pill boy. Bodies on chips, boy. Ain't telling them to that's a flip, boy.
See them say start and go straight to the bumbo class song for that. Hold on, run it.
Drum on the kid, yeah,
Big what?
Real my dogs with a kill boy.
Alright.
Drum on the kid, yeah, big toys. We the go sick, pop, pill boy. Bodies on chips, boy. Ain't telling them to that's a flip, boy. 762 make it back flip, boy. Recruits man, yeah, bouncing coin. Fuck them, do it on frame, boy, but you starving. Move your camera, calling me parking. I get killers and rockers, some killers in Tola, and the rest of the gang is in Martin. Bali, with shatters involved in no talking. Gang, fuck a wrong part, up in the car.
Big up St. Martin. Hold on, go back.
Flip, boy. Recruits man, yeah, bouncing coin. Fuck them, do it on frame, boy, but you starving. Move your camera, calling me parking. I get killers and rockers, some killers in Tola, and the rest of the gang is in Martin. Bali, with shatters involved in no talking. Gang, fuck a wrong part, up in the carpet. Pop, no carpet. No, the game done me tired. Why? If you go, you gon' pick.
Every time I come back, like, man, no, your flow is different. Like, you have to make catch a song, but I have to stay a song run 10 times just to catch what you said, because your flow different. Different from what we used to, brother.
Pop, no coughing. No, the game done me tired. Why? If you go, you gon' pay. Give me like a car, get you knocking it dick. Okay, we get it dropped, every stop on la cock. I know part it fuck it stick. I gon' bust my fucking face. Shit headshot, no game. Then my better just hope and pray, just pray. Had this life for the living again. And gang, real my dogs with a kill boy. Drum on the kid, yeah, big toys. We the go sick, pop, pill boy. Bodies on chips, boy. Ain't telling them to that's a flip, boy. 762 make it back flip, boy. Recruits man, yeah, bouncing coin. Fuck them, do it on frame, no boy. Let me roll my weed. Let's go. More guns, more tongues, more keys. Let's go. But the bitch get down on your knees. Fuck our back, then they pour out to sleep. What? Blow 15 top.
Hold on, what I'm saying?
We the go sick, pop, pill boy. Bodies on chips,
this
boy.
part now.
Ain't telling them to that's a flip, boy. 762 make it back flip, boy. Recruits man, yeah, bouncing coin. Fuck them, do it on frame, no boy. Let me roll my weed. Let's go. More guns, more tongues, more keys. Let's go. But the bitch get down on your knees. Fuck our back, then they pour out to sleep. What? Blow 15 toe in a week. First class A1 my seat. I can talk for your mother's gone weak. Let me hop on the Jeep.
Okay.
Boss, suck on my fuck, don't talk. Yeah, man, I get a Benz in park. I make diamonds a glow in the dark. Okay, no key, just push to start. Let go. I been on it back from long. Their mother want suck my ball. Push to start, let go. I been on it back from long. Their mother want suck my ball. Oh God, suck, oh God. Let's
what?
Go. Oh God, real my dogs with the kill boy.
Alright,
chips, boy.
What's that? Just jump out the floor straight into it. No look at intro, nothing. Yeah, but I say the things. So I'm not like big up myself, bro. God, you see me? So I fuck with the vibes as usual. I always go there to represent for you. You see me? Reaction boss, I sign up. Big up on yourself again. Soon, there's some more videos tomorrow. Let's get through today. We're gone. Peace.